If vector A is equal to 3i plus 2j minus k and vector B is equal to I minus j plus k, which of the following is correct? Vector A is parallel to vector B. If one vector is parallel to another vector, A should be a scalar multiple of B. We see that A is not a scalar multiple of B. Then if A vector is perpendicular to B vector, then A dot B should be equal to 0. Let us verify. A dot B is equal to 3 minus 2 minus 1, which is equal to 0. So the correct option is option B. Let us also verify option C and option D. Magnitude of vector A is equal to root of 9 plus 4 plus 1, which is equal to root 14. Magnitude of vector B is equal to root of 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to root 3. So the relation between them is magnitude of A is greater than magnitude of B. This is false. This is false. A is parallel to B is also false. The next question is, it's an assertion reason question. We are given magnitude of A cross B square plus A dot B square. So what is A cross B? A cross B is equal to AB sine theta, and A dot B is going to be AB cos theta. If you square them and add them, we get A cross B square plus A dot B square is equal to A square B square. A square B square can be pulled out. Inside the bracket we'll get sine square theta plus cos square theta, which turns out to be 1. So the left hand side is A square B square, which is equal to 256. Magnitude of B is 8. So magnitude of A square into 8 square is equal to 256. So we get magnitude of A square is equal to 64 fours are, so this is equal to 4. We get magnitude of A is equal to 2. Therefore assertion is correct, and of course we have made use of the reason that A cross B is AB sin theta and A dot B is AB cos theta. So reason is also correct. So we need to mark the option as option A, because assertion is correct and the reason is correct, and the reason is the correct explanation for the assertion. The next question is, A plus B plus C is a null vector. We are given magnitude of A, magnitude of B, magnitude of C. We are interested in the angle between B and C. So what we do is, we can write B plus C is equal to minus A. If you want the angle between B and C, keep B and C on the left side. If you want the angle between A and B, you should keep A and B on the left side. Now if two vectors are equal, we can say that B plus C dot B plus C is equal to minus A dot minus C. So this gives us B dot B, which is magnitude of B square plus magnitude of B C square plus B dot C plus C dot B is equal to magnitude of A square. We know magnitude of B square is equal to 9. Magnitude of C square is equal to 16. B dot C plus C dot B is 2 times B dot C is equal to magnitude of A square is a 37. So we get 2 times magnitude of B dot C is magnitude of B magnitude of C into cos theta is equal to, this is 25, 37 minus 25 is equal to 12. So we get 2 into B is magnitude of B is 3, magnitude of C is 4 into cos theta is equal to 12. So we get cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. That means theta is going to be pi by 3. So the answer is option C. If you need angle between B and C, retain B plus C on the left. If you want angle between A and B, you write A plus B is equal to minus C. Then take the dot product of the LHS with LHS and RHS with RHS. We'll go to the next question on vectors. P and Q are two unit vectors. What do we mean by two unit vectors? Magnitude of P is equal to magnitude of Q is equal to 1. We are also given that P plus Q is a unit vector. That means magnitude of P plus Q is equal to 1. Whenever you want to convert a magnitude to a vector form, use that A dot A is equal to magnitude of A square. So let us square this relation number 1. Then replace this magnitude of P plus Q the whole square as P plus Q dot P plus Q is equal to 1. When you open the brackets, we get P dot P, which is magnitude of P square, Q dot Q, which is magnitude of Q square, plus P dot Q plus Q dot P is equal to 1. We are given this is 1, this is also 1. P dot, this is 2 times P dot Q. P dot Q is PQ cos theta. P is 1, Q is 1. Let theta be the alpha is the angle between them. 2 cos alpha is equal to 1. We will get cos alpha is equal to minus 1 by 2. That means alpha is going to be pi minus pi by 3, 2 pi by 3. Cos 120 is equal to minus half. Therefore, the angle between the two vectors P and Q is 2 pi by 3. We are given magnitude of P is 1, magnitude of Q is 1, magnitude of P plus Q is also equal to 1. So, from magnitude of P plus Q, you want to find the angle between P and Q means write magnitude of P plus Q the whole square is equal to 1. And we know that magnitude of A square is equal to A dot A. This result is an important result which needs to be used whenever you want to convert a magnitude to a vector form. Let A be the position vector whose tip is the point 2, minus 3. What do they mean by this? What they mean is vector A is going to be 2i minus 3j. This is what they mean. Suppose you take a point, the tip is having a coordinate as 2, minus 3 means with reference to the origin. So this is 2i minus 3j. That's what they mean. Now, you have a point capital A, you have a point capital B. Both are with reference to the, all points are fixed with reference to the origin. Capital A has coordinate as minus 4, 5. Capital B we don't know. That is what we need to find out. By using triangle law of addition, we can say that AB vector is going to be OB minus OA. OB minus OA. AB is nothing but 2i minus 3j. This is AB. AB is going to be 2i minus 3j is equal to OB vector is what we don't know. OA is nothing but minus 4i plus 5j. So if you shift it to this side, you get 2i minus 3j minus 4i plus 5j is equal to OB vector. That is, we get OB vector is equal to minus 2i plus 2j. That means B has coordinates as minus 2, 2, which is option C. What they mean by this wording, that A is a position vector whose tip is the point 2, minus 3. That means this small a is some point P whose position vector is 2i minus 3j. They want us to understand that this AB vectorially is nothing but 2i minus 3j. This end point is what we don't know. We don't know the position vector B. Using triangle law of addition, we can say that AB is equal to OB minus OA. From there, we will obtain OB vector. Then we get the coordinates of the point B as minus 2, 2, which is option C. Let's have a look at the next question. A plus B dot A minus B is equal to 512. Dot product distributes over addition. So if you open the bracket, you get A dot A minus B dot B plus A dot B minus B dot A is equal to 512. Dot product is commutative, so this gets cancelled. A dot A can be replaced as magnitude of A square minus magnitude of B square is equal to 512. But we are given magnitude of A is 3 times magnitude of B. So this becomes 9 times magnitude of B square minus magnitude of B square is equal to 512. 8 times magnitude of B square is equal to 512. So this gives us magnitude of B square is equal to 512 divided by 8. 8 6 are 48, 8 4s are 32. So that gives me magnitude of B is equal to 8. So magnitude of A should be is equal to 3 times magnitude of B, that is 24. The answer is magnitude of A and B are respectively 24 and 8.